Cebu Racers Club, United Rouser Riders of Cebu Incorporation, and 7 PICAS, 7 Police Center for Aviation Security, proudly present this certificate of appreciation to Highway Patrol Group 7 in recognition and gratitude for successfully conducting defensive driving techniques and traffic rules and regulations by partnering with Cebu Racers Club, United Rouser Riders of Cebu Incorporation, and 7 Police Center for Aviation Security. They help tremendously in keeping off-roads safer for riders and commuters. Given this 26th day of October 2012 at University of the Philippines Session Hall, Gorordo Avenue, Lahog, Cebu City. Signed, Mr. Gilford C. Padayaw, CRC URC President, and Police Chief Inspector Gaspa Miller Guzman, Chief 7 PICAS, Mactan Cebu International Airport Station.